Hello, this is Zoe at WeShipFloors.com doing a special video for Janet. She wanted to see a comparison of our oak gun stock versus our rich earth versus our acacia sunrise and our fortress. So I'm going to go over each one of these and hopefully this will help you out, Janet. Here we go. Okay, so I have these samples on top of the acacia sunrise. And here are some samples of the acacia sunrise out. So when I look at the colors and start comparing them, to me the fortress has two tones that run predominantly through it. And I'm hoping this video is going to show you that there is a darker chocolate brown and a lighter sable color, kind of a very hint of a red undertone there. But the variation, this angle does show some pretty good subtle variation, and this would give you a good idea of the color range. That way the floor doesn't look like it's all one color. So then we can go over to the oak gun stock. And it pretty much is the same as the fortress. It just doesn't have any of the character knots. So when we look at the oak gun stock, we can see a subtle variation again. This helps it look realistic. So you see that brown and then a little bit lighter brown and a kind of a medium brown and a little bit darker. Again, overall, when you lay this out, it's very subtle. But it does give each plank its own little bit of a tone, which helps give a natural look. Now the one that has the most variation is the rich earth. And I find that it has three dominating colors in its design. Here I'm showing some of the color tones. This first sample here has a blushy brown tone in there. Then you're going to have a lot of the cream tones like this sample. Then you're going to have some with a little bit more of a red to it. And then some of the planks will have some of this darker, almost black effect. There's some saw marking details and some crack marks. So this one really has a rustic look. In comparing all four of these, the oak gun stock and this acacia sunrise and the fortress are pretty much consistent plank to plank, again with those subtle variations. And this rich earth has the most contrasting plank to plank. I hope this helps you understand the colors, and let me know if you'd like to see a video of your favorite color. And let us know if you have any questions at WeShipFloors.com, and you can utilize our toll-free line 1-844-356-6711. All of these are priced from $269 to $299 a square foot. Thanks again. Bye-bye.